How to read WhatsApp deleted messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can read WhatsApp deleted messages. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up the WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. Now remember, you'll have to have your chat backed up. Now to enable backup, what you want to do is first tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings and head into the fourth option, chats. Now on chats, what you want to do is if you scroll down below, you'll find the option chat backup. Now here you can enable backup. You can come here and you can manually back it up by tapping on backup option here, or you can set it up to back it up to either daily, weekly, monthly. I'll suggest you to back it up daily so that it can get backed up daily, and even if you delete it, you can be able to open it up and read it. Now here's how you can do it. Once you enable chat backup, or if you have enabled chat backup, what you can do to read WhatsApp deleted messages is on chats option, just below the chat backup and transfer chats, you'll find the option chat history. Simply tap on chat history and tap here on expert chat. Now you'll have to choose the chat that you want to read deleted messages from. And I suppose I deleted a message from this Washmandu that you can see here on the screen. Simply tap on the contact that you want to read deleted message from and tap on it, and you'll find the option here. You can see notification popping up. Including media will increase the size of expert chat, without media or include media. I'll suggest you to include media because this will download your any media that you have sent or received on chat as well, like pictures or images or audio files or videos. So simply tap on include media, and then at the bottom of your screen you'll find the option where you can export your chat to. You can export it to Telegram and share it with others, or WhatsApp or Viber or Google Drive, you can see there, Gmail. Or what if you don't want to share it with anyone, what you can do is simply tap on Google Drive option and back up and export your chat to Google Drive. And once you do it, once it's exported, what you can do is open up Google Drive, and there you'll be able to read your deleted messages that you have exported. So this way you can read WhatsApp deleted messages. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.